To achieve this hairstyle, you're gonna need something parted from the rest of your hair, as you can see. So I'm just gonna spray my hair with water, the corners of my hair, not the particular hair, to make it easier for me to walk through. So after that, I will go ahead and grab a little bit of my liquid conditioner, because a little goes a long way. I will rub it through my hand and massage that into my hair. You need very little, okay? Work it through very well. I will go ahead and grab my little comb. You will see it in a while. Then I will start brushing the corners of my hair. But when you're doing this, you want to be very gentle with your hair. Then I will grab my elastic rope and use it to tie the hair I want to make as a bun. You will leave the one in the front alone to do the twist. But when you're doing this with the rope, please be very gentle with your hair, okay? Don't over pull. As you see me doing, I started by using my hand to pull it up first before using the rope to secure it to make the bun. So here it is. Now we have our bun ready. Spray your hair again if it's necessary and brush. Hi loves, welcome to my channel. It's Rachael here again. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Rachael. For my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much guys. I do appreciate you and welcome. And to all the new subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for joining the family. So I'm just gonna part the hair in the front into two to make the twist I will be using to style it in the front. So I'm just gonna twist that. I did it very loosen twist, okay, not too tight, to achieve a nice puff in the front. You will see when I finish doing that. So I'm just gonna twist the last one. Then I will go ahead and use my pin to secure. But please make sure you are using the right pins, okay? So I'm going to pin it to the back of my bun. You can style it the way you want, the front of the hair to be. And here we have our nice, simple Updo Hairstyle. Voila! I am loving it. Hair bun are one of my hairstyles to go, okay? These are very simple. They just make my life so simple. Yeah, like last year I did a lot of hair bun, but this year I will be doing it too often because I'm just gonna concentrate on my hair to secure it, do a lot of protective style, and yeah, this is it guys. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and join the family. Bye.